This video we are designing D flip-flop using NAND gates. This is the 3-input NAND gate. This is also 3-input NAND gate. I think you know this connection. So after designing this, this is the D input. This is the clock. So this is the Q. This is the Q bar. This is the complete diagram. So for this diagram, I have created a symbol. So this is the symbol what I have created. This is the clock. This is the D, the Q, and here it is a Q bar. So the test bench of this D flip flop. So this is the schematic diagram of my D flip flop test bench. This is the test bench. So this is the clock where I have connected. There is a something software issue. So I will show here what values I have assigned here. So this is the clock. This is the clock values 2 nanoseconds and 4 nanoseconds. This is the pulse right here. So you go to oops, prime wave. Right click here, edit, enable, click here, OK. Go to expression, selecting clock first, then D, then Q, then Q bar. Once I will check, try to show you this. Actually, here it should be there. There is something issue. So, okay. Let's this is the D flip-flop output. Now we can verify the output. Similarly, find the figure of merit for this, like how we find in the full adder.